scrap it up, scrap it up, scrap it up. All along more tube and then scrap it up. Skin smooth like a silk, girl, let me scrap it up. Girl, anywhere we party, yeah, you act it up. Bright like the morning sun, rock it up. From a dance or party, you want mash it up. Hard jazz, black pants, you know lock it up. Before the sun, man, pack it up, yo. Diggy, 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 diggy. Girl, come on, diggy, 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 diggy. Elephant fat like you have free. Come wind up, girl, wind up, diggy. Wind to me, diggy, 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 diggy. Girl, you never hear about it. You know, we Christmas time is something. Come wind up the body, girl, go on your knees.
Sound check. Takot na po kita. Kain na po yun si Christine.
Pasalamat po kami kay Barangay Captain Emmanuel Jr. dahil sa pinayagan niya kami na mag-Irong Sinisen event. So, enjoy na lang po kita bago pa po kahapon. So, until the night. So, good luck for the contestant. Salamat po.
Ma'am Genevieve Didia as the chief judge. The next person beside her is the second judge. The next person, si Ma'am Marlene Yeager as the third judge. The next person to her is Kagawad Sheila Imaas as the third judge, as a fourth judge. The next person to her is Ma'am Rowena Espedido as the fifth judge. And all the judges' decisions are final and individual marks will not be disclosed. A round of applause, please. presented to Ma'am Genevieve D. Dio, Master Teacher 2, TIC Santa Lourdes Elementary School, Santa Lourdes, Puerto Diaz, Sorsogon, for her outstanding support and service extended to this barangay as member of the Board of Judges during the singing competition 2023, given the 13th day of May 2023 at Barangay Carayat, Puerto Diaz, Sorsogon. Signed by Vice President May Expedido and President Lorena Estevez.
Nelson Escote, pakireceive sa premium mo din sa second place sa marathon. Last giveaway. Giveaway from Maria Espinido, our Vice President of my team. Congratulations, Mr. Blanco. Maria Espinido, donated by Maria Espinido ang kaniya giveaway, ang trophy from Mr. Ayang Espinido. Thank you, Mr. Espinido, for the trophy of champion.
Ay contestant number 1, si Ricardo Escandor Jr. with an average score of 91.6. Our champion for our sing competition 2023. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Okay. Our champion for sing competition 2023 goes to contestant Our champion is contestant number 2, 94.4, John Michael A. Escandor. And our first runner-up is Quiz Tropea with an average of 92.4. So lumamang lang po siya ng 2 points.
Trophy donated by Lorena Estevez for first place of singing contest. Giveaway donated by Maria Espinido, our Vice President. And prize of first place are in 100 pesos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Our judge number 2 is a graduate of
Getting busy, want to tap a dali. Would you come along? Come and roll with me. Shot.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Joseph Norica Sarmiento, aka Maha Salvador. Na nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, di baling plata ang gulo,
to. Ayaw tulog. A glory to each everyone. My name is Catherine Bernardo na nag-iiwan po ng isang kasabihan na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Ipapaliwanag ko po kung ano ang klase ang mga itlog. Kung ang itlog ay kulay puti, sa manok yan. Kung ang itlog ay butik-butik, sa pugo yan. Ngunit kung ang itlog ay kulay brown, mabuhok, matubig, balot yan. Ngunit kung ang itlog ay kulay violet, naku po, Diyos ko, aalisin ko na ang tali ko, tsak, itlog ko na yan. And thank you! Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang kasamang hiyawan dyan? My name is Alvin Escopetti, but for tonight, please allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng minsan nyo na rin nakapiling at napanood sa Viva Max. Ang babaeng minsan na rin pinagnanasaan ng mga kalalakihan. Yes, opo. Ako nga po, AJ Raval. AJ Raval na nag-iwan ng isang katagang, pag ako maging shota mo, tsak, tirik mata mo. Inay! Thank you!
Mahuhulog pa ang microphone.
If I was you, I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. I wanna be me too. Standing here in front of you is the person who is dedicated to live on this moment. My name is Jessie. Okay, proudly representing me, myself, and I. Na naniniwala sa isang katagang. Kung gusto mong gumanda, well, mag-sugar daddy ka. And aligning to that, I really believe, I think, therefore, I am. That will be all. And once again, cheers, everyone. Gentlemen, nasa inyong harapan ang babaeng pinsan niyong hinangaan, pinsan niyo hinalibukan ng mga
kalalakihan? At pinsan nyo, fiestahan. Walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang hot mama, ang nag-iisang Miss Katrina Halilin. Katrina Halilin na nagsasabing sa mga kalalakihan na nandito sa loob ngayon, huwag po masyadong tumitig dahil aanin pa ang ganitong ganda kung may itlog ka. Maraming salamat po! Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And the handlers or the assistants of these candidates na right after ng information number, bihisan po ang ating candidate at saka i-retouch para dire-diretso ang ating ang flow ng ating pageant. Because this is our preparation for the upcoming Miss Gaydang Pretorias 2023. The winner of this pageant, I think, will be the representative of Barangay Carayat to the prestigious Municipal Gaydang Pretorias 2023 Miss Gay Pageant. I think the candidates are now ready. Once again, I know guys that you're all excited to witness the candidates and the production number. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates are there. Opening title.
I
introduction number and the casual attire presentation. Anticipated sizzling hot swimsuit competition. Starting off with candidate number 1, Maha Blanca. Maha Salvador. Maha Salvador is a 22-year-old stunner who loves badminton, animals, and photography. Her skills are cooking, arts and design, vital and statistic, 35, 25, and 45. Her motto in life is the biggest revenge is success. Candidate number 2 is Catherine Bernardo or Amanda Monte Carlo, 31-year-old, who loves to play volleyball. Her skills are acting, singing, and dancing. Mamaya makikita natin sa kanyang talent. Vital and statistics, we have 36, 26, and 36. Her modern life is to become ambition, to become sexy someday. Sexy mo naman talaga. Our candidate number 2 is wearing a blue checkered swimsuit. Kung pula iyan, siguro walo-walo. Candidate number 2 is Catherine Bernardo or Amanda Expectation. Her hobbies are watching horror movies and BL series. Her skills are cooking and dancing. Vital and statistics, we have 35, 25, and 36. AJ Revolt's motto is do my best so that I can Ladies and gentlemen, up on the stage is candidate number 3, AJ Revolt.
Baby, break the sweat, baby, break the sweat. Don't get tired yet, don't get tired yet. Baby, break the sweat, baby, break the sweat. Keep on doing it. All my ladies, all my ladies. All my ladies, one to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. One to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. On the guest list, no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me make you.
I act like a girl, I behave like a girl in order to be treated like one. Trans woman or woman. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage is candidate number 4, Jessie K.
pasito para atrás. Un, dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María. Un, dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, I'm happy. Now that I'm gone, I agree. And I know that it's not easy. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. Time, think a lot, think of everything you've got. 'Cause you will still be here tomorrow, and your dreams may not.
Salvador ambition in life is to become a successful chef. And the best thing about her age is that she has the freedom to choose the life that she wanted and express her true self. The three words that best describe her: artistic, beautiful girl, and beautiful. What makes her happy? Ang makita ko po ang aking pamilya at ang kaibigan na nagkakaisa. Because even though we are diverse, sabi nga, in diversity, there is unity. Clive and Amanda are beautiful, cute, and flawless. What makes Amanda happy? To help other people and make them laugh. Kanina, made them cry. Wearing a red gown is candidate number 2, Amanda Monte Carlo, or Catherine Bernardo, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome candidate number 3, AJ Raval. It is that we choose to keep on learning, not only he remains young, but like also to become more valuable. The 3 words that best describe her are friendly, emotional, and open-minded. What makes AJ Raval happy is that spending time with her BFF and helping hand to others, helping one another. Because I believe that working together and helping together really works. Our candidate number 3 is AJ Raval. Thank you you so much, AJ Raval. Let's have cadet number 4. In his own CS Gubat campus, represented Bicol University, Gubat campus, and Let the Musda debate competition. Debater pala ito si candidate number 4. The 3 best words that describe JCK are beauty, beautiful, intelligent, and stunning. What makes JCK happy? Her tutor. Sana all. Our candidate number 4 is JCK. Ladies, things about his age. Selective friends, good-hearted, friendly are the 3 words that best describe Katrina Halili. What makes Katrina happy? Her family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 5 is Katrina Halili. Let's welcome back once again our We will now proceed to the casual interview with our candidates. So this is the manner of the casual interview. Each candidate will pick a word, a hashtag, sa ating bowl. Asa na po yung bowl natin? Okay. Okay. 10, we have 40. Projection and delivery, 10. Stage presence, we have 10. Our escorts are Keanu and John Ray Levit. Ano po yung napik mo? Love. Okay.
Pagmamahal sa Tagalog. Ang pagmamahal ay ito ay nagsisimula sa pamilya, kaibigan, mga mahal sa buhay, kung paano natin sila i-handle ng maayos para tayo ay sama-sama na walang pag-alinlangan sa lahat ng problema na dumadaan sa ating buhay. Tayo ay sabay-sabay na nananalig para malampasan ito at marating kung ano ang dapat nasa tama yun. And I thank you.
Okay, pwede ka nang pumili. Bilis na bibin. Alas 12 na. You pick the word.
Hashtag me.
Me. M-E.
M-E.
Okay.
Me. Thank you for that wonderful and nice question for me. The question for me is about hashtag me. Okay. Me. Sa Tagalog, ako. Yun na po yun. Pero ang me, ibig sabihin po nun, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung lalaban, matalo, manalo dito sa panipalak na to. Kasi yung po ang aking dapat ipapakita sa inyo dahil yun lamang po ang pwede kong ipakita na dapat iparamdam ko sa inyo na kaya ko. Yun lamang po. That's all.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 2. Kaya mo yan. Tabaan. Ano yung unig sa likod ko? Hashtag hello. Hashtag friends po. Hello. Friends.
Minsan may mga kaibigan tayo na nanatili sa tabi natin kahit walang-wala na tayo. Diyan natin makikita kung sino ang tunay na kaibigan. Kung wala ka, kahit wala kang pera, nandyan sila sa tabi mo, dadamayan ka. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Sorry for that. Because we have different experiences here. Maybe some of you love the life. Maybe some of you hate the life. So we couldn't actually interpret on our own terms about what is the absolute meaning of life. So personally, I could say that life was really complicated. It was a journey that need to be processed. Not just about putting the inputs of setting a metrics of what is happiness, what is love, because all of that are the components of life. So life is not just about something that is tangible. It is about many forms, and we could say that life for me is myself, and me, myself, and I would enjoy the life right now. Thank you very much.
You picked Smile. Hello. Smile. Sa Tagalog po, ngiti. Alam naman po natin na kahit may problema po tayo sa buhay, kailangan po natin ngumiti at maging strong. Kasi sa bawat pagngiti natin sa araw-araw, kahit marami tayong pinagdadaanan na problema, ang pagiging masayahin na tao ay nakakalimutan po natin ang mga problema natin sa buhay. Kaya sa bawat araw na gumigising tayo, wag po natin ngumiti. Dahil ito po ang ating kakayahan upang maging masaya at maayos ang ating kapaligiran at mga tao na sa paligid natin. Maraming salamat po.
Special award to be given away is the Social Media Choice Award. The presenter of the trophy is, or are, Mr. Cherry Duca together with Mrs. Jennifer Jo. Ma'am, sir. Social Media Choice Awardee will receive a sash and a cash. Social Media Choice Award is none other than Katrina Halili with 1,000 shares and 232 reactions. Candidate number 5. Congratulations. Next award is the Darling of the Crowd. O sumigaw nga tayo kung anong number. Darling of the Crowd is... It's candidate number 4. Special award to be given away is the Social Media Choice Award. The presenter of the trophy is, or are, Mr. Cherry Duca together with Mrs. Jennifer Jo. Ma'am, sir. Social Media Choice Awardee will receive a sash and a cash. Social Media Choice Award is none other than Katrina Halili with 1,000 shares and 232 reactions. Candidate number 5. Congratulations. Mr. Ryan Espinido together with Ms. Rowena Espinido. Out of this competition. Next is next award is Miss Coca-Cola Buddy. The 60th among the 5 candidates. She is none other than Coca-Cola Buddy is candidate number 4. Congratulations. Roll. Mr. Isidro, please do the honor. Ando na sa stage, si Madam. Congratulations to the winner of Miss Coca-Cola Bali is candidate number 4. Jessie Kay is candidate number 4. Jessie Kay. Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic is 3. The winner will receive a sash, a cash, and her portrait. Congratulations, Adrian Raval. We're bugging Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic Award. Up next, the next award is the Best in Romp. And the Best in Romp Award, the presenters are Mr. Odilon Datuon. Romp is candidate number, it's you, candidate number 4. Congratulations. Congratulations and thank you so much to our presenters. The next award is the Best in Production Number. This award is to be presented by our presenters, Ms. Genevieve Jo, together with Mr. Raymart Espanilio. Best in Production Number is candidate number. It's candidate number 4. Congratulations to our winner of the Best in Production Number, candidate number 4, Jessie Kay. Thank you so much to our presenters. Next award is the Best in Talent. Who do you think deserves this award? The Best in Talent. Tingnan natin yung mabago ang Mr. George Galosa. Sir Cherry, please do the honor, together with Mrs. Annabelle Pirol. Best in talent is candidate number, it's you candidate number 2. Number 2. Si Seba daw anday mag-best in talent na para si Kagan. Para tatlong asin para sa buludan. O, kapartner ka with the girl yan. Congratulations, Amanda Page, for winning the best in talent. Sa Gayong Plato Diaz, magka-talent for sure na tayo, ha? Ayan. Thank you so much to our presenters, Sir Cherry and Mom Annabelle. And congratulations, candidate number 2. Next award is the Best in Creative Wear. Best in Creative Attire is... Where's the next star? 459. It's candidate number 3. It's you, Angel Val. Congratulations. The presenters are... Benny? Mr. Nilo Sky together with Mom Lorena Esteves. Congratulations, candidate number 3, and thank you so much to our presenters. Let's now proceed to the awarding of the Best in Casual Attire. The winner, Best in Casual Attire, is candidate number 5. The presenters are Miss Ruby Badua, together with Mr. Nilo Escario. Congratulations, candidate number 5. And thank you so much to our presenters. And the next award is the Best in Swimsuit. Best in Swimsuit is... Best in Swimsuit is candidate number... It's you, candidate number 5. Yes, it's candidate number 5. At wala kang magagawa doon. Kasi andito sa result. Ako lang nakabasa. Huwag niyo akong aawahin. Congratulations, candidate number 5, for buying the Best in Swimsuit Award. Expect the unexpected, of course. Ano na? Ikaw pa. Okay, the last special award is the Best in Gown. The Best in Gown, the most elegant, the most stunning, and the evening gown competition. The Best in Long Gown is... It's you! Hala! It's you, candidate number 4! Mr. Odilon Detuon, together with Miss Lorena Esteves. Congratulations, cadet number 4 for winning the best in long gown. And our OFW team, the members of the organization are going to give special awards to our lovely candidates. Ma'am, please proceed to the stage. Cadet number 1, please step forward and receive your award. Number 2, please. Cadet number 3, Ma'am Iris Christine, Sir Ernie, congratulations, and let's welcome cadet number 4. Please receive your award from our OFW team. Cadet number 5, Ma'am Iris Christine. Before to Mr. Cherry Duca, sir.
Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Sobrang happy po kami kasi napaka-successful ng event natin. At sana po next year, meron din po mag-volunteer na sana tuloy-tuloy itong ginagawa namin. Maraming po salamat is kay Chairman. Sobrang salamat po sa laki ng naitulong niyo sa amin. Maraming salamat, Judge. Sobrang thank you talaga.
The awarding of the top 3 finalists. I am going to call the number in random order. The first candidate to advance, the first one who will make it to the final 3 is candidate number 4. One step closer to the title as Miss Gay Caraya 2023 is candidate number 3. Who do you think is the last candidate to complete the top 3 finalists? Still in the running for the crown is, it's you, candidate number 5. Congratulations, candidate number 1 and 2. Thank you so much for joining. See you in Miss Gaydang Priatrias 2023. So see you at the screening. All black. Nag-usap-usap ata ang ating top 3. Do we have time? Candidate number 4.
Judge number 2.
Question number 2, sir. Abot ba ang microphone? And this question is to be asked by Ma'am Jean Jo.
This is now your question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. As an LGBTQ member, what can you contribute to help in addressing the mental health issues of the youth? I repeat, as an LGBTQ member, what can you contribute to help in addressing the mental health issues of the youth?
Can I have a paper to repeat it once again because I just need to clarify some part of the question, please?
Okay. So, as an LGBTQ member, what can you contribute to help in addressing the mental health issues of the youth?
Thank you very much for that warm consideration. So, in fathoming the question, it was a little bit personal and also emotional for me because from the past 2 years, I was experienced my worst nightmare in which I experienced psychotic episode and was diagnosed as having a bipolar 2 disorder. So having that mental health issue would be, for me, first-handedly experience that mental health issue could advocate a lot of LGBT that no matter what they are going through, is that they can do. Because if I can do. So no matter what are you having the challenge within the mind, especially as an LGBTQ who encounter or facing a lot of stereotypes, because as we know that the stereotypes of people are very traditional. They are fixed because some of the guys or some of the people who are fixed mindset, they have entitled to disrespect us. So for that, personally, I cannot get out in the house. I stay at home all the time because every time I go out, is that some people, especially guys, tend to disrespect me, especially sexualizing me. So through that, it really triggered my mental health issues. So to gain that peace of mind, to gain that care, and to be the best version of myself, is I need to prioritize my peace of mind. That will be all. And once again, good evening, Karayat Not.
Thank you so much, candidate number.
Judge number 5.
You picked question number 5. It's question number.
Hello, this is your question. If you will be the President of the Republic of the Philippines, how will you address the current situation in our West Philippine Sea? Again, if you will be the President of the Republic of the Philippines, how will you address the current situation in our West Philippine Sea?
Can you translate in Tagalog?
Sige po.
Sorry.
Pilipino, kung magiging Pangulo ka ng Republika ng Pilipinas, paano mo tatalakayin ang usaping tungkol sa West Philippine Sea? Isa pa?
Bilang isang presidente o republic ng Pilipinas, presidente ng isang Pilipinas, tungkol din natin na pakinggan din yung mga taong nasa Senado na magbigay ng opinion nila na maging parte ng kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila about sa mga issue na pinag-aagawan ng ibang bansa. Yun lang po.
Thank you. Candidate number 3. Last but not the least,
Judge number 4.
question number 4. Sir?
Here is your question. If you will be one of the colors of the LGBTQ flag, which color are you and why?
I need an interpreter in Tagalog, please.
Okay. I will read it at Filipino.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kung magiging isa ka sa kulay ng watawat ng LGBTQ, anong kulay ka at bakit?
Okay, thank you po. My God. Siguro po, red. Because alam naman natin ang pula ay simbolo ng pagmamahalan din. Na kahit sino ka o ano ka man, ay kailangan natin tanggapin, irespeto ang bawat isa. Katulad ko pong membro ng LGBTQI na tumatayo sa inyong harapan dahil lumalaban para sa human rights. Kaya po, lagi po natin tatandaan na kahit anuman po kami o anuman po kami, kailangan po natin irespeto ang bawat isa at tanggapin po kung ano po sila. At igalang ang bawat Pilipino na katulad po namin. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
The first major title is the second runner-up. Let me call the names of the presenters. For Sash, Miss Joy Arhina. The cash is to be given by Miss Loretta Esteves. The plaque of appreciation by Mom Genevieve Jo. The crown is to be given by Mr. Nilo Iscario. Merong panalo. Bakit, Sir Ernie? Kung walang mananalo ngayon, uulitin natin bukas. 16 po. Our second runner-up is... Our second runner-up is... Candidate number... It's you, candidate number 3! AJ Raval, congratulations. You will be receiving a sash, a cash, a plaque of appreciation, and a crown. To the presenters, please proceed to the stage. The trophy is donated by Miss May Esperido, our major sponsor. Our second runner-up will receive 1,500 pesos. A sash, a crown, and a plaque of appreciation. May I call the presenters to please be on the stage to award the sash and the cash to our candidate number 3, our second runner-up for tonight's competition. million na nanonood. Galing pang ibang bansa. 1 million na ba, sir? 1 million yung nanonood. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 3 for bagging the second runner-up. And step forward, candidates number 4 and 5. Holding hands kayo. Parang Miss Universe Philippines. Sino ba yung nanalo sa Miss Universe Philippines na? May update ba? Okay, tatawagin ko ang Miss Gay Karayat 2023. Yung hindi natawag, ibig sabihin, ay yung huling natawag, ibig sabihin, siya yung first runner-up. Is that clear? Let me call on the presenters for first runner-up, please. For first runner-up, for the sash, Miss Ruena Espirido. Cash, Mrs. Annabel Perol. The plaque to be given by Mr. Danilo Filino. Mr. Cherry Duca for the crown, sir. And the presenters for Miss Gay Karaya 2023. For the title holder. For the sash, Mr. Odilon Gatuon. For the cash, Mr. Joyce Delosa. Plaque of appreciation, Mr. Alden Labo. For the crown, Miss Julina Fiolino. Get ready! Supporters, friends, and families of our candidates. Who do you think is the first ever Miss Gay Karaya 2023? Miss Gay Karaya 2023 is... Miss Gay Karaya 2023 is... It's you! Candidate number 4. It means that our first runner-up is candidate number 5. Jessie Kay, candidate number 4, is the first ever Miss Gay Karaya 2023. And she will be representing Bagakay to Miss Barangay 2023 and Karayat to Miss Gaydang Proyecto Diaz 2023. Imagine that. Oh, photo opportunity po. Picture tayo mamaya. To the winners, congratulations. To the non-winners, better luck next time. This is Ramon Solidad Emil, also known as Mazur.